Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you on a show record of how to use an autoresponder even with the free version with some few tweaks that will help you to use the free version and get the most out of your conversion. So what you want to do is to come to Play Store for autoresponder. So and it gives you a list of apps that you can use. So there are a list of autoresponder here, but the one you are going to be using is autoresponder for all social media. So you click on it and you install. So once installed, you just click on open your app and you go ahead to acknowledge your policy, you agree with it, then you grant the app the permission access to be able to work on the ground, to be able to pick your notifications, because without it picking notification, there is no way it's going to work. It has to pick your WhatsApp notification, then it answers everything. One of the issues with the free version is like you have to go through a lot of ads, but it doesn't mean. So just click on this, then click on next. So it's asking that you go and off your battery optimization, in the sense that if you have battery optimization on, there is a probability that autoresponder will be switching off. So go to your battery optimization and off battery optimization for autoresponder. So just click on never ask. So what you want to do is to first of all delete all these preset templates that are here. Delete everything. So then you now begin to set your own rules. Don't worry, you don't need any other thing apart from here basically, except you want to come here, then you upgrade to your pro. But we are not upgrading, we are just using the free version. So what you want to do is to set your rules. So you click on the plus icon here. Then you come here and select the app. For me, I want to use WhatsApp Business. Now, you can also set auto respond for so many things like your messages, your SMS message, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Telegram, your Facebook Business Suite. You can set for WhatsApp, you can set for WhatsApp Business, you can set for Instagram, and for even Messenger. This is what makes it better than just an ordinary autoresponder. So the instruction I'm setting now is for WhatsApp Business. So I click on WhatsApp Business, I click on enter, then I go and look for messages that I'm frequently asked. Then I begin to click it as there. For me, I have saved some in my Google Notes. So I just go to my Google Notes and I come to my autoresponder here. So one of the things I get is okay, how much or what is the price? So what I do is I click on this, I copy it, put it here. What is the price? So the next thing you want to do here is to put it on similarity match, because that's still the best you can ever go. So what do I want to reply them? So I go ahead to pick my reply. Okay, what is the price? Currently, these are the price below. So I copy, I come and paste it here. Now, the trick you have to do here is, have you seen this similarity threshold here? This similarity threshold. So what you have to do is to reduce it down a bit, so that you type what is the price. Some customers might be funny, some client might be funny. They will just type price or what is price. Now, if it doesn't match this thing 50%, autoresponder will not respond. So what you have to do is you reduce the similarity threshold to around 30% or 25%, so that if the person just type price or what is price, the autoresponder picks it and answer the person. But to be on the safer side, I always advise is not lesser than 25%. You can always get to 30%, then upward, but not lesser than 25%. So I put it for 27% here. Then I come down. I want to set the delay. I don't want the delay to be more than 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. So I clean 5 seconds. So I don't want it to be immediately, so that the person will not be like it's robot that is chatting with him. So I want to put the delay for 5 seconds, because I don't want it too late so that the customer will still change his mind. So I come here I put it for 5 seconds. Then I can set here whether I want it to send to individual or group or both. So mine is for individual. I'm not converting in groups, just for individual. So I scroll up. I want you to repeat the rule only once. And I want you to pause the rule for contact for days. How many days? I leave it blank because I don't want you to repeat for the contact. So the next thing I do, so you leave every other thing preset like that, and I click on this green icon here, and my rule is saved. My rule is saved. It's saved. So if I go and test my rule now, it will give me exactly what I want. Another frequent message I get, like what is price, is how much. So I do the same for how much. So let's just put one more rule. So let's put this. So where can or how do I, or where can or do I get it, or how can or do I get it? So I'll just pick this and copy. So I bring it here, I click on my plus, I put it in received message, I put it on similarity match, I come back and I copy my response. Copy, and I come and I paste my response there. Paste. So I also try and reduce this down to 30% or 27%. So that I can pick. If the person writes, how can I get it? Where do I get it? Anything. He can pick any of those words and give it a similarity match. So you come up back. Don't forget to select the app you want it to go, which is mine is for WhatsApp business. If yours is normal WhatsApp, choose it. Click on enter. Then I come down. I set the delay in seconds for 5 seconds again. I set for 5 seconds again. Then I don't need any other thing here. Those are all the things I need to enter. Then I click on my enter. I click on my enter and it tells me my price is successfully set. Now, let's go and test our auto responder. Now, we'll come here, click on this, and you click on test row. So it's for individual, we are not testing for groups. So what I do is I just use any name. Since it's, let's use test. So I click on this green button here and it takes me here. So I want to test my row. So let's test how much. Or okay, we didn't put how much. Let's use what is price. You know what we put here is what is the price. So once I click what is price, I click enter. So autoresponder already picked it and it gave me 5 seconds and my reply entered. So let's go and test it on real WhatsApp now. So I would love to take you to my normal WhatsApp. Then I go to this. Then I put a message here. I put the message here. What is price? Then I enter. Automatically, my autoresponder picked it up and it brought it out for me immediately. So that's how you set it up, your autoresponder. So if you want to use it for groups, maybe for trainings and things like that, that's how you set it for trainings one-on-one. Maybe you tell the person or you are invited for a group for a training and you tell the person, okay, oh, this and this is the time I'm coming in. Okay, just type this message. You can have the floor. Mr. Daniel. Good. So I put it on similarity match. Then my reply message. Thank you very much for having me. Then you put every other thing. Then you select for group here. That's just the difference. Then the delay in seconds, 5. Or let's say immediately, since it's a training in group, immediately, then you come here, whether it's for WhatsApp or anything, then you use it for whether your WhatsApp or your WhatsApp business, then you click it, then you save the command. Then you begin to save it like that for every single thing you want to save for the training. And that's just the simple way you use the autoresponder WhatsApp. And you can decide to upgrade the Pro, which is 400 naira weekly and yearly 21,500, which is dependent on you. I hope you too got value from your time today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please also hit the thumbs up button so that this video can get to people who need it more. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get notification once I do a new video. Thank you very much for today, and do have a nice time. Bye.